Today we're going to go over the first two parts of our digital vehicle inspection with our tablet. My car. Hop in. And the first thing that I am doing is checking the dash, looking for warning indicators. And the first thing I see is that this vehicle has a low washer fluid light, so I will flag that, so we'll remember to top that off. Then I snap a quick picture of the dash so the customer gets to see it too. And then I'm going to start my test drive. And we just take the car for a short test drive, and we want to get a feel for how the car handles. We want to kind of shape the suspensions in. And we'll make notes of anything that we see on the test drive. Pull out. Just generally take and accelerate up to about 45 miles an hour. See how the car is shifting. Make sure it doesn't rattle, make any noises when it goes over bumps. This one's pretty good. Of course, it's my car, so
we know it's good.
I know it's good. If it's making any noises, I would fix them. So I just run down and make a U-turn here. Go ahead and check the brakes and make sure they work. Make sure they're smooth and no vibrations. All station. Make sure the steering is smooth through the turn. Make sure the car accelerates back up to speed like it's supposed to. While I'm in here, I go in and I check the climate control. Check the heat. Check the air conditioning. Put it back to where the customer set it. Pay special attention to the parking lot. Make sure we don't have any suspension noises or anything like that. I go down the list here, so the clutch engagement is not applicable. Doesn't have a manual transmission. Shifts good, runs good. This car is a push button parking brake. Engage it, it works. Disengage the parking brake. Steering is good and handling is good. So we're done with the road test, and now we're going to go to the in-car section. This is the segment where I'm still in the car, but I'm on the ground. I'm coming in, Jack's ready. He's going to check our lights for us. So check, make sure the horn works. Left turn and right turn. High beams. Make sure our window rolls down. Check our wipers. Make sure they work. Jack's checking brake lights, turn signals, backup lights, and then running lights. Check tag lights. Lights are good. Lights are good. All right. So we're going to flag this car is due for a K service. This has 33,000 miles. So we need to check and see if it is due for the 30K service. And our horn, turn signals, wipers, washers, AC heater, brake running lights. And the last thing I'm going to do is check the engine mount, which we do by our flight load test. Make sure that they're solid. They feel good. That brings us to the end of the in-car section of the DVI. The next portions that we do are we actually get under the hood and under the car, but that is a subject for a different video. As this is our tablet-based digital vehicle inspection, and this is the sheet, and you can actually, this is the sheet that the technician used. So what I've done is, as I've test driven the car, I've gone in and verified things like we had a washer fluid warning indicator, so I documented that with a photograph and flagged it here. And then these are all the things that we checked on the test drive. And then in car, check the lights, the horn, turn signals, make sure all this stuff works, make sure everything's appropriate. And anything that might possibly need attention, we flagged it. And this is just for communication between us and the service advisor. And then this generates a document that we email out to the customers with all the photographs and anything that we notice on it that needs attention.